Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We will learn about operating systems. Here, an operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. Operating systems such as Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac, and Android on smartphone devices. We will learn about the types of operating systems, single and multitasking, single and multi-user, distributed, templated, embedded, real-time, and library. Let's begin with first system, single and multitasking. A single tasking system can only run one program at a time, for example Palm OS, some type of a mobile device, and was now discontinued. While a multitasking operating system allows more than one program to be running in concurrency. Unix-like operating systems, such as Solaris and Linux, as well as non-Unix-like, such as Amigaos, support preemptive multitasking. Next, single and multi-user. Single-user operating systems have no facilities to distinguish users, but may allow multiple programs to run in tandem. Where a multi-user operating system has lots of facilities that identify processes and resources, such as disk space, belonging to multiple users, and the system permits multiple users to interact with the system at the same time. Next, the distributed operating system. A distributed operating system manages a group of distinct computers and makes them appear to be a single computer. The development of networked computers that could be linked and communicate with each other gave rise to distributed computing. Distributed computations are carried out on more than one machine. When computers in a group work in cooperation, they form a distributed system. Next, the templating in operating system. Templating refers to creating a single virtual machine image as a guest operating system, then saving it as a tool for multiple running virtual machines, for example, VMware, Hyper-V, Windows Virtual PC, etc. We show you the figure of each virtual machine has the amount of random access memory, CPU core, and data storage. Next, embedded operating systems, which are designed to operate on small machines like PDAs. For example, Windows Embedded Compact, known as Windows CE, and also Minix 3, which is a high-functioning Unix-like operating system. Next, the real-time operating system that guarantees to process events or data by a specific moment in time. It can be single or multitasking. In case of multitasking, it uses specialized scheduling algorithms so that a deterministic nature of behavior is achieved. And finally, library operating system. Library operating system consists of networking that are provided in the form of libraries and composed with unikernel, a specialized single address space that can be deployed to cloud or embedded environments. That's all I have. These. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.